Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show how to make the CI support with the NX Siemens. For the first step, you click twice on your NX Siemens software. After that, you can select new, click the model, and then give the name. The name is 3.6 CI support. 3.6 CI support, and then click OK. After click OK, for the first step, I will make from the top view snipping tool. From the top view, we will make like this. Three, 4, and 5. Okay. Click sketch. Click this and click OK. Just this profile. From this point, oh no, you choose this rectangle. Click the from center. Click this to this. Okay. You click this trimetric and then give the line like this. Right click and OK. The dimension is 10. Click the rapid dimension. Click this to this and define 10. OK. Close, and then this 70, no 70, 56, 56, enter, and then 50. Close, click this and then give 50, enter, close, and then click quick trim like this. Okay, close. After that, the sketch is fully constrained, so you can choose or select finish sketch. Click the extrude, click this line, this line, this line, and this line. You give the dimension. The dimension is 19. From the distance command, writing 19. Click apply, cancel. So from this sketch, you click sketch, click on the top and OK, and then click hold on your mouse like this, select this, and then project curve, click this and this, click apply, and then just the line, draw from this point to this point, draw from this point to this point, and finish. After that, you give the dimension. From the extrude, from this to this is 100. 100 minus 16. Okay. Extrude, just this line, this line, this line, and this line. Give the dimension 100 minus 16, and then click enter, apply, cancel, right click, check, unit, okay. After that, you can make this sketch. Okay, select this sketch and then click this and click OK. After click OK, you choose this profile from this point to this point, this point, this point, and this point. Right click OK. Okay, after that you give the radius. The radius is 19. The radius, click this and this, 1 and 9, enter. Okay, after that you define your dimension. The dimension is from this is 35 and then 19. 35 plus 19. Just this rapid dimension from this to this. Define your dimension. The dimension is 35 plus 19. 35 and 19, enter, then close. After that you can draw this, but you need to make circle on this. Click the circle like this to this, right click and OK. I will delete this horizontal. I will delete this line, delete, and then delete this also. You choose this line from this to this, right click and OK. Hold. Sorry. Okay, click this to this, click this and this, sorry, click this and this, click this line and this line, sorry, cannot be defined, so you must give this dimension first. Click the rapid dimension, click this line to this point is 70, enter. Okay, like this is okay. Okay, you can click this line to this line to this line. Okay, cannot be defined, so you must click this point, drag on it, and then the tangent symbol is show. After that he automatically make the tangent, and then click this and quick trim this and close. Sketch is fully constrained with 3 auto dimension. You must be define this dimension. The dimension is 19. Click enter, and then this. Sorry, you must make the line from this to this. Right click and OK. Enter, close. Also this is 35 and 19. 35 and 19. Enter. Okay, the sketch is fully constrained. The sketch is fully constrained, meaning that it's already for extrude. Click the extrude. Just this line, this line, this line, and this line. Okay, just the extrude. Click this and choose the connected curve. Sorry, for this sketch must be delete one sketch. Delete this. Okay, going to the trimetric and then finish sketch. Click extrude. Select this, and this. Reverse the directions and then give the thickness. The thickness is 13. Click on this 1 and 3. Enter. Apply. Oh my god. Select curve. Apply and cancel. You must analyze or measure the distance from this top to the bottom. Dimension is 100, like as your picture. Okay, click cancel and then I will make this hole. To make this hole, you must go into the home, click sketch, and then click this area and click OK. After click OK, you choose this circle. Okay, to show this point, you must going to this line. After so, you going to this point and then choose the art center. Okay, close, and then the diameter is 19. Okay, click this twice. 19. Okay, close, and then finish sketch. The extrude command, click this line, reverse the direction, choose the subtract command, and then apply. Okay, the hole is already made it. Click twice on this and then okay. I will analyze this sketch. So this is the two body. You must unit this body. This and this must be one part. Click this and then click on polygon and then click unit and then OK. Okay, the part is already one bodies. Okay, after that I will make the ribs. This rib. Okay, for make the ribs, you make the datum plane first on the center. Okay, click the datum, click this side and this side, click apply, cancel, and then select the sketch. After select the sketch, you select this plane. After that, click OK, and then just the line from this to this. Like right click and OK. Oh no, from this to this, the dimension is 13. Okay, we will be delete first. Okay, just this line from this to this. Right click, okay, select repeat dimension, select this point to this point and then give the dimension is 13. Enter, close. After that, finish sketch. After finish sketch, you are going to this find a comment. Click ribs on your keyboard. Enter, and then choose this rib, or you can find the ribs on this more. Select this rib. Okay, the body is already selected because the color is changed to green. So after that, you must select the curve or the line. Select this line, and then the ribs is already make it. You must define the dimension. The dimension is 10. Already 10. Click apply and then cancel. Okay. After that, you make this fillet. The fillet value is radius 6. Just choose or select edge plane, give radius, and use your keyboard 6. After that, click this, click this, click this and this, click this and enter. Okay, the radius is already make it. You can click apply. After that, click cancel. Okay, okay, you will going to the view, click show and hide, and then select sketch, select datums to hide the datum and to hide the sketch. Click close and then click trimetric home. After that, you are going to the render. Click through setting and then choose the color. The color I will choose black. Okay. Oh no, not good. Choose the blue. Okay, this is good color because I like this color. Thank you for this tutorial. See you on the next video. Thank you.